Welcome to my demo and review of the Cut and Paste Worksheet Generator by Naranjan and Beans. I'm super excited about this app because you can create amazing cut and paste worksheets for kids that you can sell on Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers or Amazon. Let's go and get started. So here is the Cut and Paste Worksheets Generator. So I'm going to go here and go to Test. And now it's loading all the templates. There's all these different templates, like here's what you get with the front offer worksheets, and depending on the tiers you get different worksheets. This is OTO1, OTO2, and OTO2. So make sure you get OTO2 so you can get like all the worksheets. So here's the one, so I click on it. And look, I just click. So if you can click, you can make these worksheets. This is cut and paste missing alphabets. So what they do is they just cut and paste out here and just fill in the missing words on the alphabet. Like so there's C, like ABC will be here, and just fill it in. And then this one, there's all these different ones, and this one, click here. That's upper and lowercase. So they cut it out and match the lowercase to the uppercase. Then here we have this other one. And this is ABC order. Match the words in alphabetical order. So I cut them out and they match them on alphabetical order here. And then here we got match numbers to words. So you can cut them out. You can make Amazon books or Teachers Pay Teachers printables or Etsy printables with this. And here's another one. So fill in the missing numbers. And then we got another one here. Let's make a clock Roman numerals. So they can actually make a clock here. These are like clocks. And it looks like this one, they could cut out the numbers and solve and match. And then this one is also one for math. Yeah, so what you could do is you can also do bulk clone. And bulk clone is only available. Yeah, I think the OTO1, let me see, but yeah, bulk delete, yeah, bulk clone. So you get bulk clone if you get the upgrade, the OTO1. Yeah, so you definitely want to get that one to be able to get, so the OTO1 will be the Pro, one to offer one, so that's the Pro offer. And the Pro actually costs $67, so you definitely want to get that to get the bulk clone. And the bulk clone enables you to clone it. So you can clone multiple pages. So we can do like 20 pages, and we can do clone pages. And it made 20 different pages of this. All different. And we could actually download them, like all the worksheets we can download as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or PowerPoint. And if you get the, I think the OTO1 lets you download, yeah, OTO1 will let you download as a PowerPoint. So make sure you get OTO1, of course. I think that's the best update, I mean the best upgrade right now. And then there's even more updates too. We'll get to that. And more upgrades. Yeah, so it's just such an amazing app, and it just does so much. You can also edit it however you want. You can change the font if you rather have a different font here. And you just pick which fonts you want, like this one, like just whatever you want. You could pick it. Like it's just so cool. And then you can also show like the answer key. If you go here, insert blank, insert group builder, random. You can also randomize the page. You can insert blank pages in between, upload icons. And there's like this, you can change all the different things here. You can show the border. And most of his apps you could do the answer key, but I'm not seeing that. Must be somewhere else, but so you can do all this. Yeah, so it's just such a cool app. It just like does these cut and paste worksheets. Yeah, so let's go on Teachers Pay Teachers and see if anyone is making money off these cut and paste worksheets. So cut and paste worksheet. Like there's cut and paste worksheet, animals, rhyming words, cut and paste. Like, yeah, they're making look like 646 reviews. They're making money off that. They're charging like CVC words, cut and paste, like $525. You can make a big bundle. Like, they're giving 48, but you can create a really big bundle of 100. So you can definitely beat that price and get a lot of sales too. This is 808, and this is $5 that they're charging. And look at this, $3. They're 1,800 reviews. They're making good money on that one. And cut and paste ordering numbers. Yeah, so as you could see, people are making really good money on Teachers Pay Teachers. And let's check out Etsy to see if anybody is making money off there. Cut and paste worksheet. Yeah, spring cut and paste worksheets for kids, $9.50, $9.50. Like $5.50, they got like 100 reviews. This is a bestseller, a cut and paste activity. This is rhyming words. Yes, looks like people are definitely making really good money. This is 2,000 reviews, and they're charging $2.30. That could be reviewed store wide, but it looks like they're making a lot of money from that. And there's like all these different ones. Yes, you can also do Amazon books as well. So we'll go to Amazon and let's search cut and paste books for kids. I'm using the Amazon expander, so that's why it's showing me those keywords. Yeah, scissor skills, like this one's doing really well, like $10, like 6,000 reviews, cutting and pasting. Scissor skills, cut, paste, pets, cutting and paste. So I would do like a blank page behind. It will actually do blank pages. So if you look here, you could insert blank pages in between. So every page will have a blank page behind it. So that way it'd be easier to have like cut and paste. I would definitely do that. You're going to be making a book like this. You want a blank page because that way it won't disrupt the other design behind it. Now let's look to see what all is in each tier. So the front offer, you can create activities in one click. There's a point and click dashboard, 10 different cut and paste activity engines. You combine the engines for unique pages, access sophisticated data management engine, 50 high quality page layouts, download in multiple formats like PDF, PNG, and JPEG. Use one-click single page clone regeneration, show and hide margins. Shuffle options let you move pages around, multiple page numbering. Download a single activity, commercial use rights, control and paste, copy and paste. For custom objects, you got 900 fonts, up to 100 downloads a month, snap to grid, import files to Affinity, Photoshop, Illustrator, PowerPoint, Canvas. Let's look at the OTO1. You get 50 high quality page layouts, download unlimited number, and this one is 67 at the time of this training, and this is the front offer is 47, but you got to get it now in the description box to take advantage of the lower price because it's going to raise in price. And we got advanced, pedagogical skills, upload your own images, bulk clone, advanced design options, unlimited color palette, and then OTO2. Let's see what that price. The OTO2 is premium. And premium is $197. So this is like the big dog here. So you get 10 activity paste, cut and paste worksheet apps. And apps built around specific learning paths, app engines. You can quickly create cut and paste worksheets using 100 premium high-end artisan page layouts. You can upload your own icons, detailed training, dedicated support team, liberal commercial use rights. Then we got OTO3. And what price is that? OTO3 is Elite. And that costs $67, so you get 500 icons, 500 illustrations. You get detailed training, like detailed training is included with all the tiers. Then you get commercial use rights. So let's take a look at my bonuses. I'm offering bonuses if you buy with my link. So I'm offering a crazy bonus. So I'm offering my first fast action bonus is you get this kids book cash flow compass. And the Kids Flow Cash Flow Compass is right here. And I designed this app, this web app. It can also be used on your phone. And you can log into it. You get the password once you sign up with my link. So first of all, you would find a winning niche. And this gives you all the winning niches right now. You could, and then this is some more. This is for kids books. And you can validate with real data. So you can actually pull in a book. So let's take this one. It will give us data on why this book is ranking so high and what we could do to get the same result. So let's put that in and we'll analyze it. Okay, so it's now analyzed it. And then this is the age range, the price, and then activity, skills, and then it looks like why buyers no complaint surfaced. So you can actually, get any item. Maybe this is a newer book because it's not pulling as much. Yeah, it's got 11,000 reviews. And then now we can also see, you can validate with real data, decode any bestseller. We did that. We can also build our book plan. So you can actually, use these modules, number, sequence, module, themed, illustration, cover, template, bestseller inside your book. Warm up dots, building dots. And so you can create this book and it will just give you these books. You can edit the book plan. So if you wanted to have something different, you could edit that. And then you can put what you want in your book for a book plan. You can even add different sections in here for your book blueprint. So you can plan your book. You can execute in 30 days. So it's telling you what to do for your book. And then finish in format. So it's like a checklist of what to do to get your book published. Yeah, so that's this amazing kids book cash flow compass app. And then we got a 24-hour fast action bonus. You get 2 full coloring packs off the choose your own coloring bonus page. And it's right here. Choose your own coloring bonus page. So you get to pick 2 full packs off this page. Any full packs you want. You get commercial use rights. You can self-publish them. And then you also get a bonus on the bonus page. And the bonus page, I got like several different bonuses on here. This is a bonus page. We got training bonuses. There's all these different bonuses on here for you to use. And we've even got private label rights content. So you just click here to see where you want, like planners and journals. You can get those. And again, you can just go up at the top and you can pick where you want to jump at. It's a very long page. And there's posters, certificates, wall art, planners and journals, stickers, digital papers. You get to pick a bonus off that bonus page. And then you get a $40 off coupon for PLR. So you can actually get this for free just about because you get $40 off any product on plrbeach.com. This is PLR Beach. You can shop the PLR. And I got bundles of PLR, like first time home buyers, courses planner, best-selling author planner, Catholic planner. So you get these beautiful, you can actually get this for free, one of those with the coupon. One of those big bundles of digital products. Then if you get the Pro for $67, you get another $40 off coupon. So you get another big bundle of printables. Then if you get the premium offer, you actually get it free because you get a $200 off coupon at beckybeach.ai. So beckybeach.ai is my AI store. And you get $200 off, so you can come here with the courses. There's all these courses, so you get that for free, and you would take $200 off that. That's like my signature course. You can get this one. You get 2 things for free if they're $97, so you get both of those for free. You can get this for $97, and this is for free. So you get to pick one of these to get $200 off. Like you would get this for free and this. And there's also GPTs here. You can get those for free. And then we got Claude Skills. Like you would get that for free. Like you can actually get 2 things for free. They're $97 each. Then we got templates. And we got mini chat automations and Pinterest pins. And this is a plug and play AI search schema template. There's all these master classes that you could get for free as well. like some of them are lower cost. You could get like there's like actually 4 of them. If there's $47 each, you get like 4 of them for free with that coupon. And then if you get the Elite offer in the full funnel, you get 3 more coloring packs off the Choose Your Own Coloring bonus page. So if you get the full funnel in the Elite pack, and you get even more packs. You get 3 more of these packs that you can self-publish and sell on Amazon or Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers. So as you could see, the Cut and Paste Generator app is so amazing. Isn't it just so cool? I just love how amazing and easy it is to create these cut and paste worksheets like fast and easy. So make sure to subscribe, be part of the AI family. I wish you and your family a great rest of your day. Goodbye!